Hey folks, this is Stephanie Stevens from Integrity Cleaning Janitorial Services here, and I'm just wanted to take a few minutes to talk about the janitorial store, Steve and Jean Hansen, and how awesome these guys are. I don't know, I think they are definitely a special group of people who have plugged into the janitorial store, building it. It has been so essential for us as a cleaning company, and I think I have known these guys now for about 10 years. We've been in business for about 13 years, Integrity Cleaning Janitorial Store, and I tell you, we could not be this far without the janitorial store. We have done downloads of materials and videos and all types of things that they offer on the janitorial store to really invest. I actually poured in them getting their materials, and also they've invested in us to get us to this point. Whenever I've had a difficult situation, I have called Steve, I have talked to Jean on different occasions, and they have been just an amazing group of people to help us to get us to the place where we are right now. And so I wanted to say that if you have not had an opportunity to plug into the janitorial store, to get these guys as coaches, consultants, you need to do that, because they would be a great enhancement to your business, to what you're trying to accomplish through your business. And you know, they have had we have been using them and their consulting services for over 10 years, I think just about 10 years now, and they have been a godsend, and I'm so glad that I've connected with them. I've gone to some conference that I ran into Steve at, and the relationship just continues to build and bring such a great momentum, insight and wisdom, and just it's helped to give us the strategy and the information we need even to secure some accounts. And so when I have really huge, enormous accounts that I'm having to deal with, I'm always reaching out to those guys, and they are amazing. I am so glad to know about the janitorial store, to be involved with these two individuals, because they have made great impact upon our business, Integrity Cleaning Janitorial Services. So, hey, check out the janitorial store. You won't be disappointed.